Welcome back to the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. Now, this specific generation of buds comes in three colors, and the color that I have here today with us is the black one. So, these are the latest version of Samsung Galaxy Buds, and let's go ahead and see what's inside the box. So, the first thing that you see when you unlock the box is the buds themselves. So, here's the case for them. And then in the top box or the top side, you should be able to see a smaller box. Now, this smaller box does contain the paperwork, but curiously enough, it does not come with a charging cable. So, yes, the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro do not come with a charging cable. So, let's just go ahead and put that back in and see what the buds actually look like. So here you have it. It's a clear top case. The buds do look slightly metallic. You have the Samsung logo at the front with the indicator light there. You have at the back your button and your charging port. So you can just go ahead, remove the buds and see how they look like out of the box. Again, I was right about the metallic part. They are slightly more metallic on the handle. Thanks for watching. If you are curious as to more Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 content, feel free to subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next video.